Literally all you have to do is copy and paste and you can make money just like this. I'm gonna break down this exact method today in this video. You can do this from pretty much anywhere in the world. You don't need any skills or experience, you literally don't need anything apart from your device and internet connection and the step-by-step instructions that I'm gonna be breaking down for you. So be sure to pay close attention all the way till the end of the video. If you like the sound of that, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. All you have to do is go to clickbank.com and then go to the marketplace section. I will show you how to do this for one offer. How to actually make money with just one offer with zero risk. And then you can apply it to all the other offers as well. Just click on search and what we are doing is we are looking for popular offers. So click on search and then make sure you're going to sort the results by gravity because we are looking for affiliate orders that are being heavily promoted. Now, the first one you can see has no gravity because it's sponsored. So you want to make sure you're going to skip the sponsored ones and then go for any of these affiliate offers that are right here, like Wealth Manifestation, Java Burn, pretty much any of these that are going to be here. The niche doesn't matter. What really matters is actually the gravity of the offer. So if it has a very low gravity, it's not going to work. But if it has a very high gravity, you can potentially make more than $450 per day by using these offers. Now, before I show you the next step, if you love videos about making money online, don't forget to like the video. I would really appreciate it. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated with all the brand new methods I post, completely for free on this channel. I literally post videos all the time teaching you all kinds of different ways on how to make money online. So yeah, if you're interested in that, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below and tell me if you're going to take action on this method or if you're just going to watch this video for entertainment. I would really like to know that if you are watching this video to actually take action on it or if you are just looking for entertainment and maybe if it's good enough, maybe if it's easy enough, you're going to take action. Okay, now the next step for this method, what you want to do is pretty much just grab any of these affiliate offers. Now, the thing you want to actually grab is going to be the sales page URL. So click on the name of the offer, so click right here and visit it. Something like this. You can see I only copied the first part of the website. Now, the next thing you want to do is head over to a website that's called ASPIRATIONal.com. And pretty much just sign up for a free account using Google. The sign-up process takes like 2 seconds, and you want to paste the name of the domain right here and click on search. Now, this is a completely free bot, and what this is going to show you is something that's worth $10,000, but it's going to do it completely for free, so you don't have to pay for it at all. Now, click right here on the ads and then go right here to Bing Yahoo. What this is going to show you are all the advertisements that other people are currently running to this affiliate offer. Now, why would that actually matter? The reason why it matters is because there's also a column right here that's going to show you days seen. Now, the days seen means how long this campaign has been running for. So the longer the campaign has been running, the more money it's probably making. So if you see a campaign that's been running for 60 or 90 days, that's probably a very good campaign to get into. Now, the next thing you want to do is just click on any of these campaigns and then just copy the ad copy. So just right click and copy, and then just paste it into a notepad or something like that. And then just save it somewhere on your computer. Now, the next thing you want to do is just head over to Bing Ads, which is the advertising platform that you're going to be using for this method. Just sign up for a free account using any email address and then just click on Create a Campaign. Now, the first thing you want to do is just click on Product or Service, and then just paste in the URL of the affiliate offer. Then, the next thing you want to do is just paste in the ad copy that you just copied from the other campaign. So just paste it right in here, and then just click on Create Ad. Now, the next thing you want to do is just set your budget. So just click on Budget and then just set it to whatever you want. I recommend starting with $5 to $10 per day. Now, the next thing you want to do is just click on Targeting. Now, you can either target the whole world or just a specific country. It's completely up to you. Then the next thing you want to do is just click on Bidding. Now, the thing you want to do is just set it to manual CPC and then just set the bid to 50 cents. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because you are actually going to be getting a $500 coupon, which means you are going to be able to run this campaign for free for the first 500 clicks. So you are basically going to be able to test this campaign completely for free. Now, the next thing you want to do is just click on Create, and then just wait for your ad to get approved, which usually takes about 24 to 48 hours. Then, once your ad is approved, you are going to start getting clicks, and then you're going to start getting commissions. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can make money with this zero-risk $450 method for complete beginners. Now, if you want to scale this up, all you have to do is just keep creating new campaigns and then just keep testing different ad copy and different targeting. And then once you find a campaign that's actually working, you can just scale it up as much as you want. So that's pretty much it. This method can really help anyone. Whether you're a teenager, a stay-at-home mom, if you're in between jobs, or just someone who's looking to build up a side hustle or some extra income on the side to help you get closer to your savings goal, or whatever financial goal you have set for yourselves. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and comment down below what you think about this method and if you tried it. We love hearing from you guys.